and today we are going to discuss the concept, the relative income hypothesis. The relative income hypothesis is basically a consumption theory, and this theory was propounded by James Dusenberry. James Dusenberry attempt to reconcile the short run and long run consumption function in his work entitled Income, Saving and the Theory of Consumer Behavior, published in 1949. His theory is based on following two assumptions. The first one is the consumption behavior of individuals is interdependent and not independent, and the second one is consumption relations are irreversible over time. Basically, these two are the assumptions of this theory. The first hypothesis, that is the consumption behavior of individuals is interdependent and not independent, states that an individual's attitude to consumption is dictated more by their income in relation to others than by an abstract standard of living. Or we can say that according to James Dusenberry, the consumption pattern or the consumption behavior of an individual is not merely depend on his own absolute income, but it also depends on his relatives' income. And the relatives may be their family members, their neighbors or any other relatives. इट मीन्स कि जो इंडिविजुअल कंज्यूमर है इसका उनका अपना जो कंजप्शन बिहेवियर है, जो कंजप्शन पैटर्न है, उनकी अपनी खुद की एब्सोल्यूट इनकम पे ही डिपेंड नहीं करता, बल्कि उनके जो रिलेटिव्स हैं, उनके जो नॉन हैं, फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, उनकी इनकम की वजह से भी अफेक्ट होता है, उनकी इनकम पे भी डिपेंड करता है. एंड द सेकेंड assumption is the consumption relations are irreversible over time. This hypothesis states that the present consumption of an individual is influenced not merely by the present levels of absolute and relative incomes, but also by the levels of consumption attained in a previous period. In Dusenberry's opinion, it is difficult for a family to reduce a level of consumption to income, reduce the level of consumption once it is attained, because the aggregate ratio of consumption to income assumed to depend on the level of present income relative to past peak incomes. It means जो सेकेंड एजम्पशन है ये स्टेट करती है कि अगर किसी कंज्यूमर का जो कंजप्शन लेवल है वो एक कंजप्शन एक लेवल पे पहुंचने के बाद अगर वो रिवर्स होने की बात हो तो कंजप्शन एक लेवल पे जाने के बाद वापस अपने इनिशियल लेवल में या वहां से रिवर्स होने की पॉसिबिलिटीज बहुत ही कम होती हैं. ये और जो रिलेटिव इनकम हाइपोथेसिस है इनकी दोनों एजम्पशंस हैं. थैंक यू.